Over the last 10 episodes, you have learned the mechanics of the 3D matrix. You know how to clear your four bodies, hack the pendulum, and master your inner life. But today, we are going to do something different. Today, we are not just learning, we are actively reprogramming. Your conscious mind might want wealth, but if your subconscious mind is holding on to the programs of poverty, struggle, and limitation, your reality projector will constantly glitch. To fix this, we must bypass the logic of your mental body and plant the code of infinite wealth directly into the deep operating system of your avatar. I recommend listening to this guided hypnosis daily, preferably right before you go to sleep or right after you wake up. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or laying down. Make sure you will not be disturbed. It is time to overwrite the code. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in and gently let it out. Bring your attention entirely to your breathing. With every inhale, imagine you are breathing in pure, glowing, golden oxygen. It flows through your nasal passage, down your throat and into your lungs, filling every single cell of your physical body with new, vibrant life force. Feel your avatar automatically opening up, absorbing this high-frequency energy. As you exhale, imagine you are completely discharging all corrupted code. Breathe out the carbon dioxide, and with it, breathe out all your fatigue, all your anxiety, and all the heavy negative quotas stored in your emotional body. Every exhale eliminates tension. Every exhale pushes the stress out of your system. Now we will command the physical avatar to relax. Notice the top of your head. Relax your scalp. Relax your eyes and the muscles around your mouth. Let this heavy, comfortable relaxation flow down your neck and into your shoulders. Your shoulders carry so much 3D tension. Release it all now. Relax your left arm down to your fingertips. Relax your right arm down to your fingertips. Relax your chest, your spine, and all the muscles in your back. Completely relax your abdomen. Let your breathing become even deeper and even slower. Relax your left leg. Relax your right leg. Relax both of your feet. Your four bodies are now entering a state of profound peace. External noises no longer matter. They only pull you deeper into my voice and deeper into relaxation. Imagine you are standing at the top of a beautiful, safe, glowing staircase. It leads down into the deepest, most peaceful sanctuary of your subconscious mind, the motherboard of your reality. There are 10 steps. As I count down, every step will take you deeper into the ultimate relaxed state. 10. Your mind and body are letting go. 9. Your mental body is becoming calmer and calmer. The logic is fading. 8. You enjoy this feeling of absolute serenity. 7. Your breathing is smooth. Every inhale brings absolute comfort. Sinking deeper, you are bypassing the physical matrix. 5. All 3D stress and restrictions have completely vanished. 4. You are drifting into a state of pure potential. 3. Deeper and deeper, you are returning to the home of your soul, the pure observer. 2. Almost at the bottom, you are perfectly safe. 1. You have arrived. Savor this feeling of total deep relaxation. Now, in this deep state, open your inner projector. Imagine that you are already living a life of infinite wealth. You have as much money as you desire. Your income keeps multiplying from endless, expected, and unexpected sources. You possess absolute health, absolute freedom, profound love, and perfect joy. Let's look at your inner life. Imagine the house you are living in. You are standing at the front door. You open it, step inside, feel the spaciousness. What does your perfect living room look like? Look at the light coming through the windows. Feel the luxurious texture of the furniture. Walk into your master bedroom. See the comfort and the elegance. Walk into your beautiful kitchen. Now step out into your garage. Look at the exact car you have always wanted to drive. What color is it? Open the door and sit in the driver's seat. Place both of your hands on the steering wheel. Feel the texture of the material beneath your palms. Turn the steering wheel slightly. Feel the smooth, powerful mechanics of the vehicle. This is your reality. Now imagine packing your bags. You are heading to your most desired travel destination. Money is no object. You travel in absolute comfort, experiencing the most beautiful places on earth. Make this itinerary crystal clear in your mind right now. You are completely financially free. How does this wealth affect the people around you? Imagine looking at your partner or your future partner. See the complete lack of stress in their eyes. You share a life of pure joy. Imagine your relationship with your parents. You are able to provide for them effortlessly. Imagine how your friends look at you, not with jealousy, but with deep inspiration. Feel the Trinity combo rising in your chest. Feel the profound excitement of living this life. Feel the deep gratitude that this reality is yours, and pour your blessing out into the world. You are a vessel of abundance. Your wealth makes the entire world a better place. Take a deep breath in and let this magnificent feeling saturate every cell of your physical avatar. Listen to these words and let them become your new operating code. I am infinite wealth. There is no limit to my abundance. I completely open my heart and accept the infinite riches of the universe. I am completely in sync with the great creative power of Source. I am the architect. I now call upon the collective angelic team. Energize and optimize this frequency of infinite wealth into the 4 bodies. Lock it into the cellular memory of the physical body. Lock it into the emotional baseline. Lock it into the spiritual records. And so it is. It is time to return to the waking world, bringing this new code with you. I will count from 1 to 10. When I reach 10, you will be fully awake, completely refreshed, and your reality engine will be permanently upgraded. 1. Slowly bringing your awareness back. 2. Feeling the physical boundaries of your body. 3. The energy of wealth is locked securely in your chest. 4. Feeling a surge of fresh, vibrant strength returning to your muscles. 5. More and more awake. 6. Feeling deeply peaceful, calm, and confident. Becoming aware of the room around you. 8. Almost fully back. The world is different because of you. 9. Waking up, feeling absolutely wonderful. 10. Open your eyes. Take a deep breath. Move your hands and your feet. You are completely awake. Your reality engine has just been given a new set of instructions. The more you listen to this hypnosis, the faster the 3D matrix will render your new timeline. I'm Derek. Keep your projector clean and enjoy your infinite wealth.